Say hi, JIBO.
Hi, JIBO.
JIBO helps everyone out throughout their day. He's the world's best cameraman. By intelligently tracking the action around him, he can independently take video and photos, so that you can put down your camera and be a part of the scene.
JIBO, take the picture.
He's a hands-free helper. You can talk to him, and he'll talk to you back, so you don't have to skip a beat.
Excuse me, Anne?
Yes, JIBO.
Melissa just sent a reminder that she's picking you up in half an hour to go grocery shopping.
Thanks, JIBO.
He's an entertainer and educator. Through interactive applications, JIBO can teach.
Let me in, or else I'll... And I'll... And I'll blow your house in.
Hey, where'd you go? There you are.
He's the closest thing to a real-life teleportation device. He can turn and look at whoever you want with a simple tap of your finger.
Check out my turkey dinner, Mom.
I wish you wouldn't eat that.
Hey, they make turkey pizza? I want turkey pizza.
And he's a platform, so his skills keep expanding. He'll be able to connect to your home.
Welcome home, Eric.
Hey, buddy. Can you order some takeout for me?
Sure thing. Chinese, as usual?
You know me so well.
And even be a great wingman.
You have a voice message from Ashley. Want to hear it?
Absolutely.
Hey, call me when you're home.
Better make that takeout for two, JIBO.
We've dreamt of it for years, and now he's finally here. And he's not just an aluminum shell, nor is he just a 3-axis motor system. He's not even just a connected device. He's one of the family.
Good night, JIBO.
JIBO, this little bot of mine.
What if technology actually treated you like a human being? What if technology helped you to feel closer to the ones you love? What if technology helped you like a partner, rather than simply being a tool? That's what JIBO's about. That's why I created this company. And I've got the right team to do it. People with a proven track record of bringing innovative technologies and exciting content to market. But now we need your help to build JIBO, to bring it to the world, and to grow the community. Let's work together to make JIBO truly great.
Hey, EMO. EMO. Turn the light on.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at robot. This is your pet. This is your pet bot? Loona? Loona! Nah, this is your pet bot. This is Loona. She's gonna be your new best friend. When Loona wakes up, she stretches and sneezes. You know, like a pet. Then she hears the door opening. It's you! Loona is excited and comes running to greet you. Pat her on the head. She loves that. As you walk around, Loona tags along. And no matter where she's at, just... and she'll come running. Loona is an incredible pet who just happens to be a robot.
Loona.
She's very well trained and listens to both vocal and gesture commands.
Loona. Loona.
And wherever she feels, she'll let you know with her eyes, ears, and legs. Wanna play? Loona loves to play. She's incredible at trivia. And she loves to fetch a ball. Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Loona? Go grab it. She's also a master laser light chaser. I'm gonna catch you, laser light. And so much more. Worried about your home when you're away? Want your pet to have a friend when you're not home? Or just want some communication from afar? Your new best friend got your back.
Daddy, where are you coming home?
I'll be home at 6.
Loona always wants to learn new tricks. With a simple drag and drop based on Google Blockly, you can teach Loona to do anything you can imagine. So, this is Loona. She's friendly, super cute, and super playful. Everything you can ask for in a best friend. Or better yet, a new family member. Ah, the day is done. Loona is ready to go to sleep next to you.
What is ClicBot? ClicBot is your new best friend. It is a buildable robot with a personality. Did I say robot? I meant a car or puppy. Actually, it can be whatever you want. You'll never be bored with your new companion. ClicBot has an affectionate personality, and it will play with you. ClicBot's modular design allows you to build anything you can imagine, or choose from thousands of existing configurations created by other users in the ClicBot app. ClicBot can climb, play games, and even work out with you. ClicBot is your perfect companion for creative education. Learning STEM has never been this fun for all ages. Learn code by dragging and dropping the blocks in the Blockly program, and gradually grow to be a more advanced coder. Train critical thinking skills and make your ideas real with ClicBot. ClicBot's cute personality and multifunctionality will make ClicBot a member of your family in no time. No matter your age, ClicBot is a friend to play and learn with. We hope you share the passion and excitement we had creating this with you.
Meet Luca, a storyteller from asteroid 501 of the Ling Galaxy. Luca came to the Earth to read thousands of picture books from Luca's library and yours. Luca can read to kids in English, Chinese, and many other languages.
Luca, let's read together.
Tap on Luca's right wing to start reading.
Please let me see the book cover.
Turn to any page in any order, and Luca will read it to you, encouraging kids to read their favorite books and discover new ones.
That was the party. I saw people from Dingling Down Country dancing.
Kids love Luca's abundant children's audio stories and songs. Luca isn't just for reading and stories. Luca's parrot mode helps parents teach good habits.
The toothbrush competition is starting. Who will be the champion? Me! The champion gets to pick their favorite book, and I will read it aloud.
Give your children a passion for reading. Whether you are with them or far away, the adventure continues. Growing independent readers for life. Love reading.